Hi, welcome to this lesson. Previously, we explored node modules, a very important concept in Node.js. In this video, we will go deeper into modules and learn about custom Node.js modules. So, custom node modules are user-defined modules created to encapsulate specific functionalities or features that can be reused across multiple Node.js applications or even modules itself. These modules helps organize code and promotes code reusability and also improve maintainability by encapsulating related functionality into standalone units. Next, let's head back to the demogram and see how we can create and use a custom model in Node.js. Of course, in our code editor, we already have this sample code here from the previous lesson. And this is a perfect example of how to create a new node modules for yourself. So here we have two functions that are being exported from the main.js file. And inside the file.js, we are making use of the functions that were created. So this format is called ES6 format or ES format. The reason is because we're making use of the export and import syntax. However, as demonstrated before, we can make use of the CommonJS format, which is the default format in Node.js. And to do that, we simply have to define our functions like this and then use the module.export to export the functionalities. Now, in the next file or in a new file, if you want to make use of the functionalities that you have exported, you basically make use of the require statement. So here you can call out the name of each of the functions that you want to make use of. And next, you use the require statement, passing in the location of the file. So let's call this main.js, of course. That is where our functionalities are saved. Okay, so with these, you can make use of the functionalities exactly how you intend to. For example, here we just want to console log this functionality. Okay, so moving this down, let's say this is common.js format, and this is, of course, the new format that was introduced and is called ES modules. All right, so these and these all works the same thing, but the recent update in Node.js makes use of the ES modules, which is better than making use of require statements. Okay, this is an example on how you can create a custom Node.js modules for your project. As we progress in this course, we are going to make use of these modules to create more complex functionalities or reusable codes that we are going to use throughout our systems. All right, so see you in the next video.